This is Houston. Stand by for power transfer. T minus 10, 9, 8. Do you ever get the feeling you've forgotten something? 7, 6, 5. Something important. 4, 3. Like you're smart enough to launch a rocket, but there's something you've missed? 2, 1, 0. Oh, Houston, we have a problem. The Wi-Fi's off. Did someone forget to pay the bill? Nope, you've been hacked. Good Wi-Fi security is vital. Without robust security measures in place, your devices and networks can be infiltrated by others, leaving your personal information, data, and moon rockets open to the bad guys. You might have technology good enough to put a man on the moon, but if you don't have great Wi-Fi security, you ain't going nowhere. So, you need to learn how to protect yourself. In this course, you'll learn how to recognize key Wi-Fi security threats and protect your network and devices. You'll also find out what steps to take if your Wi-Fi security is compromised.